Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition of The Bottomline. Here are the top headlines. 15 government tourist resorts see no bidder for maintenance. Air India announces additional flights to the US from December 21 under bubble flight agreement. Canada to drop third country COVID test rule for residents returning from southern African nations. Israel to impose travel ban for Britain and Denmark, health officials say. SpiceJet plans to introduce drone delivery service for vaccines, essential good. Brazil justice rules vaccine passport mandatory for visitors. In a setback to the efforts of the tourism department to shore up revenue, hospitality industry has not come forward to take contracts from the department. According to reliable sources, the tourism department has not received bids for maintenance contracts for the 15 resorts owned by Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. The tourism department wanted to reopen the resorts which were closed following the outbreak of COVID-19. The department had invited tenders to award maintenance contracts for the 15 resorts owned by the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. Air India will increase the number of its US flights in August, keeping in mind the fall season admission in US schools and universities, report said. The carrier too informed on its social media handle that it will operate additional flights between New Delhi and New York on August 6, 13, 20 and 27. These are in addition to the existing flights operating on this sector, Air India tweeted on Friday. India and United States have a travel bubble agreement after the international flights resumed in 2020. Israel announced on Sunday it was adding Britain and Denmark to its red list of countries that Israelis are forbidden to visit, citing concern over the spread of the Omicron coronavirus variant. The travel restrictions for Britain and Denmark will go into effect on Wednesday, Sharon Elroy Praise, Israel's Director of Public Health, told a news conference. That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more such travel industry updates. Have a great day.